what a project management certification does, it does provide, it does equip you, but there's still work to do. I've watched project managers that before me have gotten their PMP, or even while I have mine, and they'll come in and they'll just start talking like all these different artifacts. Let me help you, guide you through the real world aspect of things. There are pieces that you need to incorporate in your studies with the PMP or CAPM, either one. Family, I challenge you is that just don't go get that, just go get a certification and say, oh, I'm certified, but continue to grow, continue to learn, because if you don't do it, they're going to force you. Project Management Institute is going to have you do it anyway, which I love. So again, it really just, I mean, you're just really increasing your skill set. And as a project manager, I'm actually going to do a video on that one day, because I think sometimes people think project management is just about the PMBOK, which the majority of it is, but there's other skill sets that come into place that people I think sometimes forget: sales, marketing. But I'll leave you with that. Anyway, point number 6: network and professional connections.